The 3 safest cities in the world. Number 3. Toronto. Toronto, Canada's largest city, Toronto is often praised for its cultural diversity. Whether day or night, not only is Toronto safe in terms of crime, but it also offers a healthy living environment with its vast green spaces and proactive environmental policies. Number 2. Amsterdam. Amsterdam takes pride in its commitment to the safety of its residents and its numerous visitors. Thanks to strong community initiatives and a well-thought-out urban policy, Amsterdam has managed to maintain both a relaxed and safe atmosphere. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. Tokyo. Tokyo, the Japanese capital, one of the world's most populated cities, stands out as an exceptional example of urban safety and cleanliness despite its vast population. Tokyo boasts incredibly low crime rates. Politeness and rule adherence are deeply rooted in Japanese culture, which combined with cutting-edge security technology makes Tokyo one of the safest cities on the planet.